The 370Zki is the end result of asking what would happen if we turned a sports car into a snowmobile. Simply put, Nissan took a standard 370Z Roadster and replaced the wheels with skis and 4-foot-long, 15-inch wide tracks from American Track Truck, the same supplier that equipped the Winter Warrior Trio. They then tinted the headlights and covered the car in a bright orange wrap from Icon Image Graphics to make it pop against the backdrop of snow and evergreens. A custom lift kit raised the Z 3 inches, providing just enough room for the rear tracks to clear the wheel wells. The front suspension was fitted with adapters to give the skis enough travel and rotation. Unlike the Winter Warrior vehicles, the 370Zki has a reasonable turning radius. The engine and transmission mounts were custom fabricated, and a skid plate was added to keep the 3.7-litre 332 horsepower V6's guts from spilling out like lightsabered tauntaun. Out back there are custom mounts for the rear springs, rerouted brake lines and a new fitment for the exhaust system.